Welcome to our channel. Activating your Green Dot virtual card for online shopping is quick and convenient. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Log in to your Green Dot account on their website or through the Green Dot mobile app. Use your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the virtual card section of your account. Look for options like virtual card, online card, or temporary card number. Step 3. Request a new virtual card if you don't already have one. Click on Generate Virtual Card or a similar button to create your card. Step 4. Review your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. These details will be displayed on your screen. Step 5. Set a spending limit for your virtual card if the option is available. This adds an extra layer of security for your online purchases. Step 6. Copy or write down your virtual card information securely. You'll need these details when shopping online. Step 7. Use your Green Dot virtual card for online purchases by entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV at checkout just like you would with a physical card. Step 8. Monitor your transactions through your Green Dot account. Check your activity regularly to ensure all purchases are legitimate and to track your spending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.